Hi friends, once again I welcome you all to Kesaria Textile Factory. So today I brought for you the new varieties as well as the customers live purchase, what all they have purchased. In this video you can watch and you'll get a lot many ideas to have your own clothing business. If you're really interested to invest on clothing business and you want to directly tie up with manufacturers, this video will be helpful to you. So there's a bell icon, just click it and subscribe the channel for the regular uploaded videos where you can do 24/7 online shopping and you can directly connect with Kesaria factory. So here you can see here the live collections which are being purchased from a customer. It's going almost to the NRA countries. These are the collections of women's bottom collections. You can see here leggings, jeggings, plazos and all. So these are customer has been purchased here. Many more bunches varieties. It's a live purchase for the morning which has been done, and such beautiful kurtis also has been kurtis has been also purchased, like sequence work and all. So many collections with the color chart you can see over here. So same pattern in the mild sequence work with the thread work. So such varieties you can purchase with Kesaria Textile Factory at reasonable price, which factory cost I can tell you. And if I talk about Kesaria's many segments, which is like designer saree, dyed matching sarees, fancy silk, rapier, cotton, printed sarees, printed catalog lace border sarees, party to wear, ready to wear sarees, and lehengas, beautiful collections of lehengas. Also the bridal collections has been purchased. So bridal and all, if I talk at the market, when we go for retail concept to purchase for one bridal lehenga, at least you have to give maximum 10k bucks, right? So here when you purchase such designer fancy elegant varieties of lehengas with a catalog base starts from ciderware 400 rupees, and the designer bridal lehengas which starts from only 1000 rupees. Here you're seeing here the purchase again the stock which is a printed loose sarees. If I talk about this saree specialty, these are all regular handwork sarees and office wear sarees also here. These are synthetic crepe you can see here. This is a chiffon based sarees and rainial fabric sarees. All are different designs and different varieties. Every bunch you will find out 10-12 different colors and different designs. And here you can see here the dupattas has been purchased, the lace border dupattas and the catalog lace border sarees over here, the pastel color sarees and the floral beautiful catalog lace border sarees of printed highlighted. Such a beautiful package also you're getting here. And here is the silk sarees of the jerry border, which is a copper, we have a golden jerry sarees. For the functions you can purchase, and here the only bottom wear collections has been purchased. These collections all stock which will be cross checked and going for a packing. So customer has purchased such varieties. Every segment you will find out for the ready-made garments, where small size to XXL we are providing, and everything you're getting at one stop, the Kesaria Textile Factory, where you're providing you many benefits, exclusive collections. Whenever you're purchasing for your clothing industry, you have to see, and no energy waste, no time waste, and no money waste, I can say. Everything at reasonable price at one place with a proper communication and with the proper guidance, and regular for online updates you can purchase. And here you can see most varieties of designer sarees, everything which is the handwork sarees, settle colors and the pastel colors, rich handwork sarees of bunch to bunch which has been purchased from a customer. These are the sarees. Here you can see here entire bunches of collections of this designer lehengas of ciderware and the bridal. So beautiful collection, the lavender color, the KTC is giving you every pattern. You will find out the code. If you're communicating in online through WhatsApp, when you say the code to the sales executive, they'll find out and they'll easily share you the catalog, and you can find out the color chart and you can easily select it. So these are the lehengas. I can tell you the entire lehengas has been purchased. And if I talk about these varieties, here is also collections. So these are the Kanjivaram varieties pattern. Such a beautiful pattern of the designer, rich and grand exclusive collections which has been manufactured and packing for the only showrooms, elegant collections you want to give for the engagement, for the functions, for the wedding collections. Every new varieties you can buy. So this is a one more pattern over here. And here also the designer party wear sarees over purchased here, and here also the pastel colors of the collections purchased here. So new varieties you can buy every festival, every season. The Kesaria factory is giving you new collections. Here you can see beautiful Alia cut pattern kurti, long kurti with a satin fabric, which on the golden jerry work has been highlighted. Such elegant collections, ready to wear collections at fancy, ready to wear you can buy. So such beautiful collections, every pattern you will find out with the color chart. Sizes, there's no worries. And if I talk about the safety, transport, shipping, everything is providing you, and India plus international, 7 to 10 days you can receive your order. There's a COD options are there, and there are people to, their sales team to communicate like English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu languages. There's a smooth language, there's no language barrier over here. So everything with one stop, where I can say like Kesaria manufactures at factory price, giving you multiple benefits. So directly tie up, and you're really interested to have a clothing store at, if you're really located at Singapore, Malaysia and NRA countries, you can directly do from, we do provide you sea services and the cargo services, transportation. We do have clients who purchase and they are running a business. So you can also directly connect and tie up, and you can purchase. So let me know the purchase, how the customer has done. You can also do like this, and if you couldn't walk in or directly, you can do online shopping 24/7. Kesaria located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building. Number 1, first floor. You can directly visit, you can come from airport, you can directly travel from railway station. So people are there to communicate, to guide you. We do have a pickup drop services also. Please let me know how this video was, and if you really liked it, please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Keep watching. So next video I'll come up with many more product information. So till then, take care. Bye bye.